I saw this smartwatch and I lost control. I couldn't say no. The company asked me if I would do a review of this, and I saw it and I tried to be the smart businessman or whatever, and I was like, I just need to see this. I need to play it. It looks so cool. So let's take a look at it. They actually sent it to me, just to be truthful with you, but they gave me no instructions what to say or anything like that. They just provided it to me. They said, try it out, test it out, see if it's really built like a tank. I just love that name. You can't go wrong with the tank name. They said, try it out, use it, and let people know what your experience is. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you a couple quick updates on it right now while I open it up. Then I'm gonna use it for a couple weeks, come back, let you know what my actual experience was. And instead of me using it a couple days, I said specifically, use it a couple weeks. So this amazing, beautiful smartwatch, I don't know if you can see how cool it is. This has a 480 milliamp hour true cobalt battery. So this is supposed to give you actual real life use of about 2 weeks, and then standby use for 60 days. 60 days of standby use. I'm not testing it, but if this thing lasts me for, doesn't even have to make 2 weeks. If I'm using it regularly, I'm using the Bluetooth features, I'm using everything that it has, and it lasts me a week, that is ridiculously powerful and so much better than most of the watches out there. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna charge it up. I'm gonna hook it up to my phone. It works equally with Android as well as Apple devices. And I'm gonna use this for a couple weeks. This thing is so cool looking. I'm gonna use it for a couple weeks, and then I'm gonna come back, let you know what my experience has been like. I'll talk to you in a couple weeks. It is a ridiculously beautiful evening out, so I thought I would come out here to kind of finish up the conversation about this watch. This watch has so impressed me. So first off, it really has a quality feel to it, whether it be all of the mil-spec grade stuff, the AMOLED display, just the way it's built and the way it looks. It really premium looks great. I am such a big fan of all that kind of stuff. I am the biggest fan of this band. Now this is your normal 22mm band. You can replace it with anything you want, but for me, I don't like really hard kind of bands. I know sometimes people don't like these silicone-y kind of bands, but I love it. It is soft, it is comfortable, so comfortable to wear, and I think that's really important because if you're not comfortable, you're not gonna enjoy it. I have two more important highlights, one little low light, and then we'll sum it all up. Okay, highlight one, solid week I've been wearing this, and the charge is still going. I haven't gotten to the end of it. It's definitely getting low now, but you can definitely wear this for a solid week without an issue, which is absolutely phenomenal for a smartwatch. In terms of it being a smartwatch and functionality, the steps were pretty much spot on. I check my heart rate all the time. My heart rate was good, and the O2 sensor looked good. Stress, I don't know, it's a cool feature, but I don't think I'm stressed, and it doesn't think I'm stressed either, so I'm going to say it's pretty accurate. My one little bit of a negative on it, just a little negative, is it doesn't have like an adaptive brightness. So if you go to sleep with it and you move and it turns itself on, it's like a spotlight in the bed. So it didn't bother me, but it got Nikki's attention a couple times. So that would be a nice upgrade if they would add that. So if it knew that it's a dark room or if it's at night, to like dim itself down, that would be good instead of like full sunlight version of the brightness in bed. But if you ask me, it's a minor thing. I am absolutely loving this. This is absolutely incredible. I'm going to give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a really premium quality smartwatch that just looks amazing, this is one to get. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.